Good morning, everybody. It's a snowy day today. Look at these big, fluffy snowflakes just coming down, coming down. So calming, so beautiful. We've had a few beautiful, warm days in the 50s. And then today, the big, wow. But the street is getting a coating right now. It's getting a light coating there. The grass. Like, might be sunny and bright where you are, and right here. And I'm happy it came today. And look at it coming down out of the sky. If it was warmer, it would be rain. Because tomorrow I have to be out there, so I'm glad it came today. And hopefully by tomorrow, it's all gone, I hope. Yeah, but we give thanks, guys, for all things, great or small, hot or cold, rain or snow. We just learn to appreciate and be thankful. So make it a great day where you are, guys. Just be thankful. Just be thankful, you know. Sometimes we get frustrated, but when you look at the snow comes and somebody gets a job, the snow comes and entrepreneurs get to move their ware, the salt, the shovels, all the other things that come with a snow day. The people with their big pushers and their trucks, they get to make a bread. A lot of people coming from different countries and they're here, and this is how they make a living, so they could send money back home to their families. So as much as it's a bother sometimes, we just have to smile and know that everything in its season. And somebody benefits from all of this. Some we might feel miserable, but for others, they're happy for the gold from the sky. So we're thankful today, dear God. We are thankful. People are going through their mental health issues, and this calming atmosphere is good for them. It's calming. So enjoy it, guys, for whatever reason. Just enjoy it. Remember to like the videos. Share a video or two or more as you stop by Miss Bev's one-stop shop, where there's a little bit of everything there. Thank you for supporting my powerful family. And welcome to all the new viewers. Welcome to the new subscribers. Have a great day by choice, everybody. Much love.